Have you ever wondered how an elephant drinks? Let's find out. What is the bird doing? The bird is building its nest. Where is the cat? The cat is in its bed. What happened to the tree? The tree lost some of its leaves. How does the robot move? The robot moves on its wheels. What happened to your book? My book has lost its cover. How does an elephant drink? An elephant drinks with its trunk. How does a turtle protect itself? A turtle hides in its shell. What is the snake doing? The snake is shedding its skin. Why is the phone not working? The phone has lost its screen. How does a fish breathe? A fish breathes through its gills. What is the dog doing? The dog is wagging its tail. Where is the pencil? The pencil is in its case. Why is the TV blurry? The TV has lost its signal. Where is the plant? The plant is in its pot. What is the airplane doing? The airplane is making its landing. Tell us in the comment. How does a lizard protect itself?